Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable gesture navigation on Black Shark Pad 7 Pro. So if you also want to have the gesture navigation just like me, then you've come to the right place. First, we're gonna open up settings, and here in the settings, as you guys can see, there's a lot of options. Now you may be wondering which one we're gonna choose. We're gonna choose accessibility, and here in accessibility, as you guys can see, we need to scroll a bit down. So here we have the system controls, and we also get the navigation mode. So you can switch it to free button navigation. As you guys can see, here we have it, and we can also customize it. We can hold the home button for the assistant. But first you have to set it up. Now here, as you guys can see, you can also also just press it. So there's two ways. Here you can spoke to invoke the assistant, and you can change the sensitivity on the right edge and on the low edge, and you can even see the preview here, as you guys can see, and that's how you guys can easily adjust your navigation to change it to gesture. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.